Hey everyone, this is our Excel application to create the maintenance and replacement schedule. This first page is our welcome screen, which has our model information. Clicking this takes you to our mathematical model, which is used to solve the scheduling problem. Hitting return takes you back to the main welcome page. The begin button brings up a data input sheet. Here you can enter the number of components, in our case 3, one for the ball valve, pump, and motor. Clicking on the planning horizon, you can select the number of years you want the schedule to be over. We're going to be choosing 60 years. And the period length, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. We will be choosing annually. The type of configuration, for us it'll be a series configuration. Clicking next will take you to the failure parameter calculator. On this left side, you can click on distribution information, where you can find out how you calculate the mean time to failure and standard deviation. Clicking done takes you back to the parameter calculator page, and there are instructions on the left side that show you exactly how to input the data for your mean time to failure and standard deviation. We've already input all our data in for our 3 components, so we're going to go ahead and click done. This brings up the cost input page. Here you can put in the maintenance cost, replacement cost, and failure cost for each of your 3 components, as well as a shutdown cost for the entire system and the required reliability for the entire system. Clicking Solve will bring up a maintenance and replacement schedule. In the background, you have a program called Lingo, which is using the optimization function to find the optimal solution to our problem, which would be to minimize the cost while still maintaining the required reliability. So once the Lingo is finished solving, it will pull up a maintenance and replacement schedule here on Excel. Now that Lingo has finished solving, we have a maintenance and replacement schedule. Going through it, we can see when each of these components have to be maintained and replaced. Component 1 is replaced in year 24, Component 2 is maintained, and Component 3 is also replaced. And then going through some more, we see that Component 1 is maintained in year 39, Component 2 is still maintained in year 39, and Component 3 is replaced again in year 39. And these are the only 2 maintenance and replacements that take place over the 60-year planning horizon. And as we see on the top left corner, we have a total cost of $1,239,000 approximately for the cost of the entire system. If we click on the reliability versus time button, it will take us to a reliability versus time graph. Over here, it shows the reliability of each component over the 60-year planning horizon, and it'll show you the reliability versus time for the entire system as well. If you return to your maintenance and replacement schedule, you can click on the cost versus time graph, which will show you the total cumulative cost over the 60 years for the entire system, as well as the cost per period for the entire system. And then returning to schedule will take you back to the scheduling place, and this concludes our Excel application demonstration.